Hello, my name is Bryce Tubbs. Thank you so much for tuning in today. Let me adjust my seat. Thank you for so much for tuning in today's video, which is about 3 tips that will change your life. So, part of changing your overall life is to really understand how to get your business to shoot out cash to you so that you're financially free and you have, the ability to control your time and to control where you want to go in the world. Okay, it's very, very important for me. At least for me, that was very key. So what I mean by that is the ability for me to be able to go shoot videos at like 11 o'clock during the day, 10 o'clock during the day, and not have to go be at work someplace or have to be at a certain place at a certain time. What that also allowed me to do, once I was able to free up my time so I didn't have to be in a certain place at a certain time, I could be wherever I wanted to be, and that's where I got location freedom. And once I got location freedom, that really allowed me to start getting financial freedom. Okay? So what are the 3 things that allowed me to do that? I had to understand a few different things. The first thing I had to understand was, well, actually I'll do it out of order. So the first thing that I had to understand was audience. Okay? Audience, all that means is just the ability to find out exactly what your message is and exactly who you actually want to attract into your life to actually either buy your products and services, or who you would like to coach depending on what your your package or your service is, right? So once you really understand how to talk to those people and actually understand what they want, then it makes it very easy to be able to just direct them and to lead them to wherever they actually want to go, and actually start getting them to want to sign up with you, because you are the person who knows what they want and knows how to help them get there in the shortest period of time possible. Okay, the second thing that I really had to understand was scale. Yet I really had to understand just how many people were out there in the world, so that it really allows me to know that, one, there's an abundance of, opportunities to get new people in the door. So my job was literally just to connect with as many people as possible and find as many people who are, relevant to what I'm trying to accomplish and what I want to do, and then see, wow, I've been thinking way too small. Once I started thinking bigger, then my audience started growing. It started being able to just move faster. I started to figure out how to grow the audience even faster. Okay, so everything, as you may have noticed, is starting to feed into each other. So first I had to understand what my message to the audience was. Then I had to understand the scale, which is how much of an audience could I actually reach if I really tried. Then the third final thing that I'm going to talk about in today's video, which will change your life, is learning how to use leverage. Now, there's many different types of leverage. Some forms of leverage can be either getting a loan from a bank, to buy ads or whatever. Another thing could be getting investment from outside influences to help you move your goal faster. Another form of leverage would be to hire employees. Another form of leverage would be to get other people to shout out your profile. Another form of leverage could be advertisements to boost your existing message to a larger audience. Okay, but once you understand leverage, that's when you really get freedom on steroids, right? Because that's how you allow yourself not to have to be either in the office or be at your job or your computer 24/7, right? Because, for example, in a few minutes I'm probably going to go put down this microphone. I'm going to go, to the mall and either do some shopping or, go out to lunch, do whatever. I haven't really eaten anything yet today, but I'm going to have to go do that soon so I don't get too hungry. But my business is still going to be able to move. This video is going to live on for the next couple of either months or other years, depending on how much traffic it actually gets and how much I actually want to push traffic towards it. And this very video is going to be able to kind of move me even further forward, because it's going to connect with somebody who's watching this video. Generally, if you're watching this video far enough, then you understand exactly that you need these 3 tools to be able to actually, go forward. The problem is you probably already knew that before you watched this video. The key was, how do I actually get that to work for myself? So that's a little bit of a multi-step video, right, in order to be able to do so. So in order for me to actually be able to give that to you, I recommend you go join my group called Uncapped Growth Strategies. The reason why is because whenever you see a video on LinkedIn, it's generally out of order. So this video might have been like video C in a 3-step video series. And if you see C before you see A and B, it's not going to make sense. The same way with me doing step-by-step instruction. The only way for me to be able to control when you see A, B, and C in the right order is for you to go join that group because it gives me more control over, when people can see the content. So if that's something you've been searching for, the answer to, why maybe you haven't been successful. Maybe what's that missing step that you've been searching for. Maybe you've been spinning your wheels and you just haven't been able to do it. Maybe you're working a full-time job and you have a part-time business, but you want your business to be able to either match your job's income or even double what you're making at your old job. This is the first step towards getting there and actually being able to get the life that I believe you deserve. So if that's what you've been searching for, I recommend you go check out the link either in the description below or above, depending on where you see this video. Have a great day. Thanks so much for coming and watching this video to the completion. Feel free to hit that share button so other people can get some information as well. Also, subscribe to the channel. Have a great day. See you soon. Talk to you later. And good day.